It's out there, lurking in the dark, a chasm yet unfound. Come along and experience the journey with the Cache Caver.
We are gonna head up that. Hooray! No, a little bit of snow, a little bit of cold, lots of elevation gain. False hope of a cave in front of us. Up to the first kind of rock spur, and there's a little hole, nothing much, but it's interesting. We're gonna just head up here, and I think that's where the larger grotto is. So we're approaching one of the side fissures, and there actually looks like there might be a cave here. This is actually really surprising, because in the drone footage it didn't really look like there was anything. But maybe, I don't know. Interesting. There's been a critter of some sort. Kind of looks like a cat. Oh. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Well, cat's not home. Doesn't look like it. Goes terribly far back there. That's exciting. Yeah, so it goes back maybe 20 feet. But it keeps going. Laser? I didn't bring my rangefinder. I didn't think about that. I really didn't think we'd find anything like this. Cool. Okay, so we're coming around this corner to see what this other grotto's like. It's only fair that Weylan goes first. He's the one that saw it. It's interesting, but it doesn't look like that it goes anywhere. Yeah. Any air? Ugh. And there's a little room back there. Hole's just about big enough for a rat to fit through. It looks like a rat has fit through. Oh yeah, interesting. You're right, there is a room back there. There's some airflow too. Okay, I wonder if that's where this fissure goes. This could very well be a celebration powder sort of place. That's really interesting. To turn off these lights, turn on my headlamp. I know. You want to put this down there? Oh, I can drop my camera down the crack. Come in sideways. Gonna go check out, there's another hole over here. And then there's one more around the corner. Oh yeah, there's a kind of a little hole. That heads to the back. And over here. It might connect to over here. There's like a little trail that goes around it. Yeah, there's another spot up higher that you could see on the drone that looked like it was a small hole. Spots just full of them. Yeah. Might be a little slick. Off we go. Oh, ow, gorse bushes. Thorny berry bushes. So fun. It looks like there might be something around here. No, doesn't look like it actually. Just closes off. Take a look at that down there. Ooh, icicles. And a little hole, but not big enough. Fun up here. Oh. Well, another hole. Ow. Just kicked a rock. My shin. Huh. Fascinating. A few mosquitoes in here. Bunch of mosquitoes. Way too small though. Goes up. Woo! The perspective of what I'm dealing with. Squeezy here. There we go. Nice. Yay. Well, that's pretty much everything for now. We'll go back over to that other original fissure. I think that's the most promising. We need to get out of here. Oh, it's just too fun. Hiking through the snow. A nice November afternoon. It's Friday. How great is that? Oh. So we're gonna head down. This hole has a lot of potential, I think. I doubt it's like 1,000 feet long or anything like that, but I think it's worth pursuing. I bet it's 40, 50 feet deep. Maybe it leads to some rooms too. So we'll see. We're not going to crawl into that one. It's kind of a poo trap. Yeah. I don't know how else to say it. A lot of rats. Digging. Needs digging. Respirator probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Anyway, we're going to head back. It's starting to get dark and it's snowing.